Hey there, Park Ranger Naomi. Nice costume.
You know, the costume contest is tomorrow.
But I'm not on duty tomorrow, so I wore it today. Ghost Queen has arrived.
Looks great, Ghost Queen. And we have an extra special duty today, Your Majesty.
Does it have to do with this book?
I was going through old Park Ranger journal entries for tips on how to clean up dino duty, but it's so hard to read. The writing is like raptor scratch.
Oh man, is that our first task?
Yep, we have dino duty today.
Park Ranger Bill. This great ranger began guarding this ranch in 1920. Whoa, that's 100 years ago!
That's old.
Wait a minute, you can read the raptor scratch? Okay, we're gonna have more on that later, but let's go clean up the dino duty before it gets too hot and too stinky.
Oh no!
Now, what sort of shenanigans was that?
Park Ranger Bill?
Yes?
Ah!
Ghost! Where? Wait for me!
Wait! Why are you running?
Well, someone said they saw a ghost. I absolutely abhor ghosts. They give me the heebie-jeebies. Wait, you're the ghost.
No, this is just a costume. You're the ghost.
Oh, that's hogwash. I am the park ranger of T-Rex Ranch.
You were 100 years ago. This is 2020, not 1920.
2020? I'm in the future? Holy Campasaurus, did you see that? I am a ghost. But how? Why? Who brought me back?
Sorry. I spilled the wake-up juice.
Oh. So you are the clumsy ranger, hmm? Yes, I have an associate, Park Ranger Sheila. She too is clumsy. In fact, she's as clumsy as a freshly hatched T-Rex trying to use his tiny little hands.
That's pretty clumsy.
Indeed it is. Oh, where are my manners? Allow me to introduce myself. I am Park Ranger William. My friends call me Bill. I am Chief of Dino Care and charged with the safekeeping and protecting the park.
Oh, here comes trouble. This can't be good.
Allosaurus, stop.
Odd. None of our gadgets seem to be working on the Allosaurus.
Well, something has to work soon, or we're dino lunch.
Wait a minute. Betsy?
You know her?
Yes. Well, that's Betsy. She's a dino from my ranch.
Your ranch? Uh-oh. That means the wake-up juice brought back ghost dinos, too. They must be roaming the ranch.
Well, I know how to handle Betsy. Just aim a little lower. She has weak knees. It always spooks her. Off you go, old girl. Go rest those tired gals.
The ghost dinos must be spooking the real dinos.
Best act quickly then, because spooked dinos can lead to stampede! Ghost! T-bone! They always start with the king. Dino Drat! I'm out of darts! Oh my god! No, these don't work on T-Rexes! Everyone, quick, get behind me! Since I'm already non-corporeal, if he's going to bite someone, it should be me!
There's gotta be something we can do.
But we don't know how ghost dinos work.
That's it! Ghost dinos need ghost park rangers!
I bet you're right. A ghost can only be handled by another ghost.
Here, try this dino zapper.
Why, what sort of newfangled contraption is this?
It transports a dino anywhere you want it to go. You just aim and zap, but it has to be done by you.
That is the bee's knees.
Hey, that's what we say too.
Oh, well, I'm glad it survived 100 years. But, quick, park ranger huddle. Now put on your thinking caps, Rangers. We've got to come up with a way to send these ghost dinos back. But think.
Can't you just keep zapping them back?
We could, but we can only do that one at a time. It could take all day. We've got to come up with a way to send them all back all at once.
Well, I did bring you all here at the same time when I spilled the wake-up juice.
What is this wake-up juice? I mean, is there a counterbalancing sleepy time juice?
Super Sleepy Darts!
Oh yeah, the super sleepy formula.
I bet if we pour Super Sleepy formula on the book, that would put them all back into their ghost slumber.
Well, then that's it. Quick, Rangers, we've not a moment to lose. Up, and away!
Oh no! There's another ghost dino! Run!
Park Ranger Bill, watch out!
Oh no, Park Ranger collision! Heavens to Murgatroyd! I went right through that tree. It's kind of fun being a ghost.
Wait a second. That's not a dino. That's just a weird-looking tree.
Oops, my bad.
Oh, don't feel bad about it, Park Ranger Darren. It was worth it just to learn the tree trick. But quickly, let's go get that book.
Oh no, it's gone!
It's the thieving outlaw. This base camp ain't big enough for the both of us. Oh man, Jan! You're lucky today, Bird. No nap time for you.
Wasn't worth it, son.
I think it's time for a good old-fashioned Halloween spook. What do you say, Bill?
I say copy that, Park Ranger Darren.
Be careful, partner.
I shall, young squire. All right. You bird brain, thieving vomit. Why don't you watch me disappear? Disappear! Disappear! Ooh, excuse me. I thought this would be easier than it is. Ah! Ha ha!
So long.
Quick, Super Sleepy formula.
Here it is. We're gonna miss you, Park Ranger Bill.
Yeah, it was a really cool time meeting you, even if you are a ghost.
I agree. It's been an honor.
The honor has been all mine. Each and every one of you are terrific park rangers, and you work so well together. Why, you are one crackerjack first-rate team. It makes me proud to see how the dinos are so well cared for so many years later. It has been a privilege and an honor serving with you.
I'm working on a time travel device. Maybe we can come and visit you sometime.
That would be just Jim Dandy. But we must not waste a moment. Young lady, would you care to do the honors? One ghost to another.
Of course.
Fare thee well, park rangers. Until we meet again, take good care of T. Rex Ranch.
Hey, where'd it go? I wanted to read that.
Oh, yes. That is so strange.
As long as it wasn't the outlaw bird.
Well, lesson learned. Mission log 612. Never put liquids close to a history book. Well, we better clean up the dino duty. There's probably more now with the ghost dinos.
Yuck!
Man, this is gonna be so stinky.
I wish he could do this.